Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Today, we dive into one of India's most iconic fruits, the guava. Have you ever wondered how Indian farmers produce over 4 million tons of guava every year, making India the world's largest guava producer? From traditional orchards to modern high-density plantations, India has transformed guava farming into a powerful agricultural industry. In this episode, we'll explore how guavas are grown, harvested, handled, and processed at large scale using precision irrigation, smarter pest control, and increasingly automated packing facilities. This is the complete journey of India's guava, from sun-drenched orchards all the way to the modern processing lines that prepare guava for juice, puree, candy, and export markets. Let's begin the story. India dominates the global guava market, producing 45 to 50% of the world's supply. Key states such as Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu contribute the largest share thanks to tropical climates and year-round fruiting capability. Guava is cultivated across roughly 300,000 hectares, much of it managed by small and medium-scale farmers who rely on guava for stable income. Consumer demand has surged in recent years due to guava's high vitamin C content and growing popularity in juices, ready-to-eat snacks, and processed goods. India exports thousands of tons of fresh guava annually to the Middle East, Bangladesh, Nepal, and increasingly to Europe as post-harvest standards improve. To maintain consistent supply, growers are shifting toward high-density orchards, allowing up to 2,000 trees per hectare, compared to 250 to 300 trees in traditional systems. This approach boosts yield and improves spray coverage and nutrient delivery. Additionally, many regions now adopt precision irrigation, integrating drip systems with soil moisture sensors to reduce water use by 40 to 50%. AI and tech adoption are still emerging, but several progressive orchards use AI-supported disease detection, smartphone-based crop monitoring apps, pheromone traps for fruit fly control, and automated weather alerts to protect fruit from extreme heat and rain. This gradual shift towards smart agriculture is lifting overall productivity and reducing losses. Indian guava orchards begin with careful selection of varieties such as Allahabad Safida, Sardar, Lucknow 49, and Taiwan Pink. These trees thrive in well-drained soils and warm climates, producing fruit almost year-round, with major harvests in winter and monsoon seasons. Farmers prepare the land using organic manure mixed with micronutrients to support early root development. As the trees mature, canopy management becomes crucial. Farmers prune branches to improve light penetration and reduce humidity, which helps prevent fungal infections. Many orchards now follow systematic pruning cycles that align with desired harvest windows, allowing farmers to time fruit production around market demand. Pest and disease control relies heavily on integrated pest management, IPM. Fruit flies, the biggest threat to guava, are controlled using pheromone traps, protein baits, and selective sprays. In larger orchards, drones equipped with NDVI cameras are gradually being tested to monitor canopy health and detect early stress zones. Nutrient management has shifted from fixed schedules to leaf tissue analysis, enabling growers to fine-tune fertilizer ratios and avoid nutrient deficiencies. Combined with drip fertigation, this method provides steady nutrition throughout the fruiting cycle, resulting in larger, sweeter guavas with better shelf life. Guava harvesting in India begins with monitoring fruit maturity through color change, firmness tests, and soluble solid measurements. Workers selectively pick fruit at the breaker stage, where the skin transitions from deep green to light green, the ideal ripeness for transport and processing. Unlike many fruits, guavas are delicate and bruise easily. For this reason, most harvesting is done by hand using soft cotton bags or padded baskets. In some high-density orchards, workers stand on lightweight aluminum platforms or small hydraulic lifts to reach the upper canopy. The harvested fruit is immediately moved to shaded collection areas where sorters remove damaged or overripe guavas. Maintaining field heat reduction is critical. Guavas kept under shade can remain firm for 4 to 5 hours longer than fruit exposed to direct sunlight. Some progressive farms now use mobile pre-cooling units to stabilize temperature before transport. From here, the guava travels in ventilated crates to packhouses or processing plants. Short-distance logistics are essential, as guava has one of the shortest shelf lives among tropical fruit. Maintaining airflow and avoiding compression damage during transport are key steps for preserving quality. At the processing plant, guavas begin their journey through a fully controlled handling system. First, crates are unloaded onto soft conveyors designed to minimize impact. Fruits pass through a washing line where rotating brushes and sanitized water remove soil and sap. Next, grading begins. Some modern plants use AI-powered optical sorters that evaluate size, surface defects, and color uniformity. Smaller facilities rely on trained workers who manually grade guavas for fresh markets while redirecting lower-grade fruit into processing. For the processing industry, guavas are transformed into a wide range of products: puree, pulp, juice concentrate, jam, nectar, dehydrated guava, and candied guava. The fruit is chopped, diced, and passed through heated pulping machines. Temperature-controlled systems maintain product color and flavor while extending shelf life. Packhouses for fresh guava use food-safe packaging like clamshells and ventilated boxes, often applying edible wax coatings to slow moisture loss. Final products enter the cold chain at 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, labeled, palletized, and shipped to domestic supermarkets or export hubs. From traditional orchards in Uttar Pradesh to the advanced processing plants of Maharashtra, India's guava industry demonstrates how a tropical fruit can become a national agricultural powerhouse. Through careful orchard management, smarter water use, precise pest control, and steadily improving post-harvest technology, Indian farmers are able to supply fresh guava and value-added products to millions of consumers. If you enjoyed this deep dive into how guavas are grown, harvested, and processed in India, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow AgriTech Smart for more documentaries about modern farming and the future of global agriculture. Which topic should we explore next on AgriTech Smart? Don't forget to share it in the comments below. Thank you.